game, so we're just gonna start. Yeah, we're gonna.
What?
What happened to you, bro? I'm best friends with Cute Cat Meow.
Sabaw ako ha.
Yes, boy.
But now, may hat ako. Kasi ayaw niya. Nakita niyo yung ano daw ako.
What happened to you? He said he left the game.
Sino yung Wordmaster yun sa...
Yes, bro. In Brookhaven. Our content in Brookhaven. So this is Dendre.
Friend mo yun. My friend. Pati na yung mic ko.
Ano ba yan? So guys, we will just making a video and someone just stuck. I think someone hacked the game, but I don't know. So we will just gonna play a short game and someone just lagged us. Someone said that we're dumb. Kunwari lang. I'm gonna hide. Find me. Oh my god, Squid Game is coming. Oh my god, the guards are here. Skip. Yeah, skip. This game is so funny. Skip. Bruh. Then we skipped it and he tapped it. He's doing this. Someone said hello. Oh my god, it is our time to shine.
Bakit ganyan siya? Bakit hindi ganyan na ano?
I know, bro.
Oh my god, go!
Bro, I'm first. Oh my god, I became second.
Oh my god!
I became second. So I'm looking at the back. That's why I'm losing. Oh my god, someone dead. Oh my god. Oh my god, Cute Cat Meow died. In front of me. Oh my god. What's happening? Oh my god, I made it, bro. I made it. The next is Dalgona. I'm just waiting for them, bro. Oh my god, someone is chatting. I don't know, bro. So Kaden is in his Tagalog language. I'm drinking boba IRL, bruh. Why are you drinking boba? Are you a girl, bro? Are you a girl? Next one is Dalgona. I hope I get triangle.
Hope I get
He said circle because of Thanos.
Amadi, let's go!
Yep, in his Thanos language. Yes! Dalgona.
Beto ka ni Sean, may kumakain yun.
Yeah, that's hard, bruh.
May ako magawin.
Oh my god, I got umbrella. I got umbrella.
Oh my god, I got dragon!
I got umbrella.
Oh my god. Sabi niya, may tao na sabi, what the? Sabi. Demo.
I hope he get the Mona Lisa. Oh my god, I'm super fast. Like speed.
Sabi ko matapos.
Lapit ka na.
Natapos ko! Natapos ko!
Oh my god. Yep, I'm done. Yep, I'm done.
May honeycomb ako.
Eat it later. I'm gonna eat it later. Ooh, Dendre, pass me. Can I buy glass tester? Yes, I buy it.
Nabay ko yung glass tester na.
You buy it already?
Opo, nauna ko ikaw lang.
Oh my god, look at the players. They're only 16. Bruh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ang dami viewer
The
na
jackpot
nasa
is so many, bro. The jackpot, so many. Someone dies, bruh. Oh my god, someone died.
So many died. Pag na-appetit ka, nawin na lang ako, ha?
So, then they even hurt in his Tagalog language. Right?
Yeah. Ang dami people na patay, ano?
Yes, boy. So, what he's trying to say, there are many
Petigan
that...
ito. Pag napunta ako sa petigan, awid na lang ako, ha?
Yes.
Ano ko na yan?
Yes. Oh my god, it's Kaden. He's offline, bruh. But he's talking. Now, what happened? So, we're trying to be silent.
Kaya mawin na ako.
Silent. Oh my god, Penta.
Mawid na ako. Kasi maiwag yun. Ano?
Bro, it's just easy, bro. So Andre just left for no reason.
Kasi yung ganggoy. Naman.
Pwede mo matigiyan.
Oh my god, I'm failing. I'm failing, bro. So it's going to be like this. Yes, I'm trying to do. Yes, it's failed. So I'm gonna make mine Tagalog language. So I hope you guys like it. And I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Freaking god. So that's for the day. I cannot do it. So 3, 2, 1.